Okay, hello. Today we're going to be doing LeetCode problem 2619, which is array prototype last. What is that, you ask? Well, we're going to write code that enhances all arrays such that you can call the array.last method on any array and it will return the last element. If there are no elements in the array, it should return -1. You may assume the array is the output of JSON parse. Very straightforward problem. So we have input array of null bracket 3, output is 3. This one is empty bracket, -1 because there's no elements. Okay, so there's a few ways to do this. First way is going to be if-else statement. So if this length, and we need the triple equals for this case because it's JavaScript. So what are we going to do? Whoops. Okay, if length equals 0, we're going to return the -1 that they're asking for. Well, that's my end bracket there. All right, else I'm going to go into what we're going to do. So we're going to return this of this length. Gotta love the this function. 1, and that's pretty much it. Straightforward. Let's run it and see what I messed up. Absolutely nothing. Great. Now, if you want to show off to your friends, you can also do it this way. You can do it in one line. So return this dot length. So this is what we call a ternary operator. So basically, if that has a value, length has a value, then this, basically the same code we just did, only in one line. This dot length -1 for zero-based indexing, else -1. And that should give us the same outcome. And it does. What's up? Okay, super straightforward, super easy. The time complexity on this is basically the last functionality of JavaScript, which is O of 1. And the same is true for space complexity. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.